All right, how's it going, YouTube? So, as y'all know, somebody won the fan. Shout out to Coach DRC. Appreciate you, bro. The fan is going to him, and this is what's left. 2S battery, a Willie bar. So, the Willie bar is for a slash, and let me go ahead and show y'all what's going on. Bam. So we had the first reply was 727 Mega RC. Shout out to you, bro, for even being the first to reply. Unfortunately, he was a second off. So if you look at Coach hit it right on the nose, 932. So let me go to the video and show y'all. So that's little man, that's Bo right there. And as y'all see, me and him dap each other up right there. And that's exactly at 932. So if I play it and it come off, it's still 932. Now it's at 933. So your time was 1 second off because he's already walking. So the dap ended. So that's what you really had to pay attention to. But anyway, thanks for everybody for joining that one. So we're going to do part 3, which is part 3 of the giveaway. And let me get this out the way, guys. Sorry about that. So it's part 3 of the giveaway. And the winner from this one get to choose one of these. That's what's left. So how this one is going to be done, it is going to be in part 3. What was the fastest time ran on the tree? Now, I need 3 numbers. 3 numbers. So whatever the fastest time was, you need to hear the 3 numbers clear as day. And obviously my wife would say, because she was the only one saying numbers that day. So you listen out. You may have to watch the whole video, but it's in there, the fastest time of the day. And my wife says it, not me, but my wife says it. So, all right, guys, that is the question. Once again, I'm going to repeat it. So in part 3, what was the fastest time ran in part 3? And first person to answer in the comments get to choose one of these. So thank you guys for all playing, and good luck to the winners. Well, good luck to everybody. So all right, guys, stay tuned and drop that comment down below. Shout out to Coach D and Richard for winning the first 2. All right, guys.